Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will explain you how to install a VirtualBox on your Windows operating system. A VirtualBox is an application that allows you to install another system in an existing operating system by sharing physical hardware resources with a virtual machine. First of all, it is necessary to go to the official website of the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on the first site. Then select the operating system you are using now and download the software. I will stop downloading because I have already downloaded the software recently. Once you have downloaded the software, find it in your Downloads folder and double-click on the icon. The VirtualBox icon has already appeared on the screen. And the installation is complete and the software is ready to use. In the next tutorial I will explain you how to install Linux Ubuntu via VirtualBox. Thank you for your review.